And the squirrel is just hanging out with us. And it's raining with the sun out here, 5:45 p.m. What are you doing? Just taking over our porch. It's raining with the sun out. This only happens a few times a year that I catch it. I always think it's pretty cool. This is really bright out right now and pouring. Oh, and thunder. 5:45 p.m. Tuesday, April 21st, 2020 here in Cab, Virginia. I mean, it is bright out. How close that thunder is. There's the sun. You can see the rain. It's letting up. It's not too heavy on the pond there, but it looks heavier coming through the trees. I like those pecan trees though. In the afternoon the light comes through them. Okay. We got a helicopter. We got everything going on here, don't we? That's all for now.